So, hi everybody. I've been getting a lot of questions about how and where Tessie got into my car. So I'm pretty sure that she got in through here, that wheel well. There's an opening right there. And, you know, feral cats are no strangers. I think I see Tessie's sibling perhaps right there hanging out. So I guess this type of thing happens. Lucky for Tessie, she had a pretty good outcome, I'd say. Her weekend obviously had a rough start, but she probably had the best end of the weekend ever.